Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Home menu. Let's begin. There are 5 sections. First section is Clipboard. Second section is Font. Third section is Paragraph. Fourth section is Styles. Fifth section is Editing. Let's begin with first section, that is Clipboard. We can cut, copy, and paste content. Paste options are keep source formatting, merge formatting, and keep text only. Paste special options are Microsoft Word document object with display as icon option, formatted text RTF, unformatted text, picture enhanced media file, HTML format, unformatted Unicode text. Set default paste opens. Advanced tab under File menu, Options tab for additional pasting options. That is cut, copy and paste section. Next option is Format Painter, which is used to copy formatting from one part of document to another part. Under Clipboard, we have Paste All and Clear All options. Additional options in Clipboard are Show off as clipboard automatically, show off as clipboard when Ctrl and C press twice, collect without showing off as clipboard, show off as clipboard icon on taskbar, show status near taskbar when copying. Next section is Font. We can change font size, increase font size, decrease font size. Options under change case are sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. Next option is Clear All formatting. We can change text to bold, italic, and put underline. We can set different underline styles and also set different color for underlines. We can strike through text, subscript and superscript text. We can add different text effect and typography like outline, shadow, reflection, glow, number styles, ligature, and stylistic sets. Next option is Text Highlight Colors. We can highlight text with different colors. Next option is Font Color. We can use theme colors, standard colors. Under More Colors, we can set standard color or custom colors with red, green and blue combinations. Also, we can set gradient colors. More options under Font are Font, Font Style, Font Size, Font Color, Underline Style, Underline Color. Effects available are Strike Through, Double Strike Through, Superscript, Subscript, Small Caps, All Caps, Hidden, which is used to hide text. We can see preview of different settings. Set setting applied as default. Text effects are under Text Fill, options available are No Fill, Solid Fill and Gradient Fill. Under Text Outline, options available are No Line, Solid Line, Gradient Line. Under Shadow, we can set presets, color, transparency, size, blur, angle, distance. Under Reflection, we can set presets, transparency, size, blur and distance. Under Glow, we can set presets, color, size and transparency. Under Soft Edges, we can set presets and size. Under 3D Format, we can set top level, bottom level, depth, contour, material and lighting. Also we can reset text effects. Under Advanced tab, there are 2 sections. Under first section, that is Character Spacing, options available are Scale, Spacing, Position, Kerning for fonts by points. Next section is Open Type Features, options available are ligatures, number spacing, number forms, stylistic sets, and we can use contextual alternates. Also, we can set preview for settings applied. Next section is paragraph. We can add bullets, numbering, multi-level list, decrease indent, increase indent, sort, show or hide paragraph or other formatting marks, left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, justify, line and paragraph spacing. We can add space before paragraph, or remove space after paragraph. For shading, we can use theme colors, standard colors, no color or more colors. We can add borders from the list. Under more paragraph options, there are 2 tabs. First tab is Indents and Spacing. There are 3 sections. Under General section, we can set alignment and outline level with collapsed by default option. Next section is indentation. We can set left indent, right indent. Under special indent, options are none, first line and hanging. We can also mirror indents. Next section is spacing. We can add spacing before and after. Additional line spacings are single, 1.5 lines, double, at least, exactly, and multiple. We can also use option, don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. Also, we can see preview. Next tab is line page breaks. Under pagination section, options available are widow or orphan control, keep with next, keep lines together, page break before. Under formatting exceptions section, options available are suppress line numbers, don't hyphenate. Under text box options, we have tight wrap. Also, we can see preview of setting applied. Next section is styles. Styles available are normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, title, subtitle, subtle emphasis, emphasis, intense emphasis, strong, quote, intense quote, subtle reference, intense reference, book title and list paragraph. We can create style, clear formatting, apply styles. Under more styles, we can see all the styles, show preview, disable linked styles, create new style, use style inspector, and manage styles. Style pane options are under select styles to show, options are recommended, in use, in current document, all styles. Under select how list is sorted, options are alphabetical, as recommended, font, based on and by type. Under select formatting to show as styles, options are paragraph level formatting, font formatting, bullet and numbering formatting. Under select how built-in style names are shown, options are show next heading when previous level is used, hide built-in name when alternate name exists. We can set these settings for only current document or new documents based on current template. Next section is editing. We can find headings, pages, and results based on search. Next option is replace. We can replace some text with other text with options, replace, replace all, and find next. Under select option, we can select all, select objects, select all text with similar formatting. Also, we can use selection pane. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Word interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.